application, news, emails, and every other infinite scrolling feed is designed so intricately that we are induced by anxiety. Whatever that is feeding into your brain through these smartphones is very stressful to certain people. Now, these people tend to try and zen themselves out. Now, a company called the Light Phone was a Kickstarter program that started in 2015. Once the company was able to gather enough of capital, the first phone shipped out in 2017. 2 years later, this company came up with their second iteration, the Light Phone 2. What's so prominent about this phone? First of all, the iPhone 2 is designed in such a way that is really compact and it's only limited to certain features and can unleash you from this smartphone world. What I mean by this is there are certain features that you should know that this phone has that you would consider if you are getting one. First of all, its screen. The iPhone 2 uses a paper-like screen technology that you might find in a Kindle if you are familiar with. This screen is only capable or limited of displaying only two kinds of color, but its benefit is that it is very bright or very visible under direct sunlight. Secondly, the phone has only limited applications that are customizable, like alarm, clock, calendar, podcasting tools, phone calls, messages, no internet browser, no applications, no app store. I'm not recommending this phone for everybody, but definitely this phone only suits or is catered to a particular niche. And these people might need this. And if you know somebody who is too much into it, or you want to get control of your child, or you want to restrict someone from being too addicted to their devices or the social media, then this is something that you might be able to recommend. However, there's one lesson we can take away from this. Too much of anything is good for nothing. We still need these essential tools like social media and internet and other platforms that we might be using for good. It's better to direct all the good energy towards us and the bad energy from all these technologies away. This repelling effect might be much more healthier for you, your mind, and your heart. Anyway, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. See you next time.